This is perfect to beat the heat. Oh my God. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Yes, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious ice cream. Yes, I'm making mango gelato ice cream. Sounds so good. Yes, so obviously you're gonna need 2 mangoes, and I'm gonna peel these up and cut them up. I'm gonna show you exactly how to cut up your mangoes. Simple and easy way. I have to use this one up fast, so you can use any fruit that you want. So I'm gonna show you how I cut my mango up. I take it and I just do each side. I cut it down the side like this, and now I'm gonna cut the other side just like that, all the way down, and then this side around. Whoop. Oh, the skin comes off. Okay, and then you do the same thing, but these mangoes are so soft. Take your knife and you just pretty much just cut it down like this, cut it down like that, cut it like that. Okay, and then you're gonna open it up, and then you're gonna put it inside of your food processor. You can squeeze your mango in. My mangoes are soft, so I'm just gonna squeeze them in. Not a big deal. Alright, so this is our 3 ingredients mango gelato ice cream. I'm adding 1 can of full fat coconut milk. Now some people like to use bananas, and like I said, I'm not a big fan of using bananas, but you can also use frozen bananas if you don't want to use coconut milk. 1 teaspoon of brown rice syrup. You can use maple syrup if you want, or whatever kind of sweetener you like to use, but I'm using the brown rice syrup. But if you have the pure maple syrup, that will work as well. So I had a little misfortune. I had a little bit too much coconut and mango in my food processor. I should have just used my high-speed blender, but in the future, so you guys know, use your high-speed blender. Don't use this because it's going to be overflowing. I thought that, I was like, oh my God, what happened? Turned out that I just had too much. It was way on top. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. Because I want everything to be nice and liquidy. But it's coming together. That's about right. Let's see. I really need this to be smooth. Let me just scrape down these mangoes. Let me see if there's any mango slices in here. Just the pieces that were up top. I think we are pretty good. If you have a high-speed blender, go ahead and use that. Let me taste it. Really good. If you want to add, I feel like you need to be a little sweeter. A little bit more maple syrup to give it a nice sweet. Because this is for the kids and they're, So this is about correct. I was trying to find a silicone container to put my mixture in. Apparently I couldn't find any, so this glass will do. So, but best if you use a silicone container. So I'm just going to pour this in just like that. We're trying to get the bubbles out. Silicone container would have been great to get some of this bubbles out, but so I did the best I can to get most of the bubbles out. I'm gonna cover this up. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for 3 hours, and then we'll be back in 3 hours. Okay, my healthy people, so our mango gelato ice cream was in the refrigerator, and this is what it looks like. Obviously some kid did something there, so we're just gonna empty it out, cut it up, and then we're gonna throw it in our high-speed blender. Okay, I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna put them in my high-speed blender, and this is pretty much what I'm gonna be doing. So let me do that, put everything in, and then I'll be right back. That. So now we're gonna transfer it here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape this out. As you may see, it looks like a soft, watch. It's going to look like a soft serve ice cream. Just like that. I'm just going to scrape it out in here. If you do have a silicone container, that's fine. I'm just going to spread it in here. Just like that. Put this in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Let it freeze, and then you're ready to have your ice cream. So I'll be back in 2 or 3 hours when this ice cream is ready. And then we're going to enjoy this deliciousness. Hello, my healthy people. So this is our ice cream gelato, and this is the mango flavored that I made. You can use any flavor that you want. Now, I had this in the refrigerator overnight, so actually it's the next day. It was thawed out for 20 minutes exactly. So let's see what this is looking like. So good. Look at that. Just like a nice soft served ice cream. Put it in here. All right, my healthy people. Let me get a little spoon and taste this deliciousness. Hold on. Oh, delicious, refreshing, scrumptious. You're gonna love it. Your kids are gonna love it. Your whole family's gonna love it. Trust me, this is perfect to beat the heat. Oh my God. Oh, delicious. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner. If you love the video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is free, healthy tip, great recipes. I'll see you guys next time, and say it with me. Stay healthy.